If you feel stuck, unmotivated, or lost in life, this video is your wake-up call. Successful people aren't born, they're made. Today, I'm giving you powerful, life-changing habits that will transform your confidence, mindset, and success. No fluff, just real strategies that work. Let's get started. If you're looking to upgrade your life, boost your confidence, and attract success effortlessly, you need to adopt powerful habits that reshape your mindset and daily actions. These proven strategies will help you create a lifestyle that commands respect, financial stability, and personal growth. Let's dive in. 1. Unlock your true potential with productivity hacks. In today's fast-paced world, being busy is not the same as being productive. The secret to achieving more in less time is laser-sharp focus and strategic time management. Follow the Pareto principle, identify and focus on the 20% of tasks that generate 80% of your results. Eliminate distractions, schedule deep work sessions, and prioritize your energy wisely. Adopt the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Mastering these habits will turn you into a productivity machine, outpacing 90% of people around you. 2. Develop unshakable confidence and social presence. Confidence is not a talent, it's a skill. It's built through repeated action and self-belief. To own every room you walk into, practice dominant body language, strong eye contact, and a calm, controlled voice. Speak with clarity and conviction. Stop seeking approval. When you believe in yourself, the world follows. A simple trick? Stand tall, slow down your speech, and take up space. People will naturally see you as a leader. 3. Attract wealth by mastering financial discipline. Money flows to those who understand how to control it. The biggest financial mistake people make is spending more than they earn without a long-term vision. Instead of chasing quick money, build multiple income streams, invest early, and master the art of budgeting. Passive income is the key to financial freedom. Real estate, stocks, and digital assets can grow your wealth effortlessly while you sleep. The earlier you start, the richer your future will be. 4. Transform your style and personal image instantly. People judge you within the first 7 seconds of meeting you. Your style, grooming, and posture set the tone. Dressing well is not about wearing expensive clothes, it's about wearing clothes that fit your body type and project confidence. Maintain a sharp grooming routine, smell good, and take care of your skin. Your image is your brand, build it wisely. 5. Remove toxic habits that secretly hold you back. Most people sabotage their success unknowingly through small but deadly habits. Procrastination, excessive social media, overthinking, negative self-talk, and unhealthy eating drain your energy and kill momentum. If you want to elevate your life, start by eliminating these self-destructive patterns. Replace them with goal setting, daily learning, a structured routine, and surrounding yourself with high achievers. Start now. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because that moment is now. Pick one habit, apply it, and watch your life change. Like, share, and subscribe if you're ready to take control of your destiny. See you in the next one. Let's grow together.